morning everyone. We have a little visitor today and his name is
Alfie.
Alfie. You say hello everyone on YouTube.
Hello everyone on YouTube.
But today we're going to do something special for breakfast, aren't we?
Yeah.
We have, and I found this idea on Google. So if you put your egg in the freezer overnight, touch the egg, feel how cold it is. Oh, it's really cold, isn't it? Does it feel a bit funny? Look at that.
Oh.
How cool is that? Beautiful.
I'll try like a ray from that.
Are you? Okay, we'll pop these in. What are we doing? Cooking eggs.
Cooking eggs.
Yay! Did you want to watch what's happening?
Yeah.
Put them up here.
Okay.
Look at that. Little mini fried eggs. Eh? You think that looks much better? You ask everyone out there, you say, does that look better?
That look better.
Mwah. Ah.
Some.
You want some?
Uh,
What do you think?
I got up. Oh. Yeah. Good night.
Good mate.
Yum yum.
Say yay!
Yay!
High five! Bye everybody!
Bye everybody.
Good job.